I'm going to open Panda Express fortune cookie on Valentine's Day. Today's Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day to everybody. And does Pikachu wanna give me the fortune cookie? Does Pikachu wanna give me the fortune cookie? Pikachu wanna give me the fortune cookie? Yippee! Pikachu gave me the fortune cookie. Panda Express, Chinese kitchen, where good fortune smiles. Let's open this up on Valentine's Day today and see what this fortune says. The fortune says, yummy, yummy, yummy. It says, you will touch the hearts of many. Sounds good to me.